in November where Microsoft released the adaptive controller, and since then we've been playing around with different configurations and loadouts, so any participant of any ability can play.
That's cool.
So if you want, this can go over your neck and then it just sits on your upper chest and it can give you some vibration.
Okay.
Do you mind if I put it over?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, so then yep.
Oh wow. It's got like a pulse.
Yeah. Different one is this button, so you get some audio feedback and tactile. But those both can be used by any body part. This is a nice one that goes around your head and you can manipulate it using your chin. Additionally, we have some larger ones that we can operate by moving our head, by touching with any body part. It goes so well with this game. It transfers sound into vibrations to give you some haptic feedback. And with like these deep tones and everything. Put your hand there, you kind of feel.
Okay. So those look like stingrays. Right here. Right here. Wow.
Discussing this in November, so as soon as Microsoft started teasing the adaptive controller that that we were using, we really wanted to just add it to our collection, just in our resource center, just to have one for demonstration. But then we were really talking about what could we do with it, where could we go with it, and what we really wanted to do is open it up to the community. So for people who might not have had financial aspect to the electronics or things like that, might not be able to afford it.